All right, market overview, portfolio breakdown is on its way. Back in business, guys. Cryptocurrency market. We're going to start off with our active positions here. We're trying to fish the bottom. This might be the bottom. We're talking long-term perspective, medium to long-term perspective, right? So 5 active positions right now. Polkadot, it's coming off in the last 2 days, 2-3 days. But we also knocked off the first target, 618.45. Cha-ching, took quite a bit of profit because we got in early on with that vicious spike as it started to pull back. That's where we pulled the trigger the first time. The crossover 618 gave us kind of a green light from price action to throw in the second trade. Looking back at it, wasn't the best decision. Price action took a dive, for a couple of days. Still on the back foot, but I suspect it's going to come back up. But yeah, already I have some profit on the Polkadot in the back pocket already. Bitcoin, take a look at the pullback last week. 56,363 is the level you want to notice, take notice of. So the pullback last week and the pullback this week, massive. I feel like this could be the turning point we're looking for. Now with the Bitcoin just as well, we already took quite a bit of profit because we got in the very last inch of that spike with a heavy position. The following day we had such a nice profit on it, we had to get out of it, secure profit. But then we got back in with a half size position. So right now small size position on the Bitcoin, so we're not worried at all and already have some profit in the back pocket. Stop loss levels you can see at 48,000. Dogecoin, talked about a lot about the Dogecoin today in the main video. Go ahead, check it out in the cryptocurrency section. Huge support is coming at 1030. We're betting a full-fledged upside reversal on the large scale. Then there's Litecoin that we also managed to take some profit off the table. Here we were closing in on 66.60. 66.66. Here we took out 2 trades out of 3, so 66% of the position was out at that point in a nice profit. Now we still have the position open because we still have 1 trade in, the last one, and this one is already aimed at 74.98. The next trades that we're gonna be throwing in are gonna be aiming at 84.30. As you know, there's a lot of upside potential here. This is the monthly chart. Take a look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this might be the end of the 5th leg and the beginning of the 6th. Interesting stuff indeed. Last one but not least, Ethereum. Huge support levels coming in at 29.01. It's been tested before, tried and tested before multiple times. Now again, talking about this week and last week, this could lead into another upside reversal and price action going to start pushing back to where it came from. We're talking about 32.16, the first one, and primary one 35.68. That's the cryptocurrency market front. Let's go to the Forex market front, where we have 4 active positions. The latest one was dropped today. New Zealand Canadian. Take a look at this nice crossover below 83.50. We kind of anticipated that, but we wanted to see it happening before we pull the trigger, so here we go. This is the weekly chart, but what I really like to look at is the monthly chart, where price action, if you take a closer look, and I'm just going to clean all that noise here, take a look at the close on last month, guys. Beautiful stuff. 83.28. 28. The level is 83.30, so it broke. And that suggests that price is on its way down on the large scale. So we're taking action as price action crossing below 83.50. This is the new one, the latest position for us, New Zealand Canadian. The old positions that we have, Canadian Swiss franc, talked about this one in the main video today, Forex section. The way it's kind of picking up support from 65.57 suggests that we are still on the right track here. We're still in business with this one. We have 3 trades. This position is getting heavier, but obviously now coming out of a technical correction, hopefully in the next few days we'll know for sure. If it keeps marching forward, then we'll start rebuilding this position, throwing more trades into the mix and getting more aggressive with this. Euro Swiss francs coming off of a couple of day technical correction over the over the weekend pretty much, and it looks good, ready to keep marching forward. We already threw in the second trade today. We already took quite a bit of profit on this one. We caught the whole move up from the bottom. As price began to bend, we dropped because we had quite a bit of profit. We wanted to secure it, right? So we got out, and now jumping back in. Last but not least, euro dollar crossing over 107.93 with a weekly breakout confirmation. We like that. Pulled the trigger yesterday, the first. Well, basically, it's an old position. It's an old bullish conviction. We've been in and out with this already. We already had some success, quite a bit of success actually, on the way up to 107.83. Now it's the second stage of this bullish conviction on the euro dollar to 109.49. That's our final destination here with the euro dollar. That's about that for the day today, guys. I hope you enjoyed that session. We're gonna be back tomorrow, same time, same place. Take care.